Hello everyone. 75 days, that's great. Well done. We are here to recap everything you accomplished during the last 25 days of your 100 Days of Code Challenge. It's day 75, so once again, let's take the time to appreciate the dedication you are putting into this journey, day after day. If you are new here, you're more than welcome to stay with us, but I recommend starting with the D0 setup video. Now, for those of you who made it to day 75, it's time for our last intermediate check-in. How are you feeling? We've started covering more advanced concepts while still building on the solid foundations from the first part of the challenge. We are beginning to capitalize on all your accumulated knowledge to solve other problems. That's fantastic. In this video, we are going to do 3 things. First, we'll give you a quick recap of the key concepts you've been working on. Second, I will help you start building things on your own beyond the daily challenges. Third, I will help you reflect on your personal coding journey so far. Let's start with what you've accomplished in the last 25 days. It's easy to forget how your knowledge is expanding with every challenge met. If you've reached this milestone, you've come a long way.
I want to wash my hands. I want to go home.
How exciting is it to see these projects again and realize how much you've built and learned? Since it's our last intermediate check-in, you've got an interesting list of advanced key concepts to review. Don't feel overwhelmed. You already had a toolset large enough to handle many problems. We are just exploring more specialized areas to make you a robust front-end developer. Just scan the list and look up the ones you've forgotten. First, let's review the HTML concepts. You can pause the video here if you would like to read them carefully. Next, we'll go over the CSS concepts. Again, pause if you need more time. Finally, we'll look at the JavaScript concepts. Don't worry if some still feel unfamiliar. You can always revisit earlier projects to practice them again. The second thing I want you to do is start building beyond the daily challenges. Maybe it means taking the time to do some self-driven exploration before relying on the hints. Maybe it means thinking about a recurring process when you are asked to build a feature you've never built before. Maybe it means searching for specific examples, adapting existing code, and taking the time to experiment. At this point, you have enough knowledge to combine HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and find solutions on your own. With that strategy in place, you can tackle real-world scenarios. Always consider adapting your layout to all screen sizes, handle interactivity and data with user experience, performance, and accessibility in mind. Since you're still working on relatively small projects, this is the perfect moment to adopt best practices. You don't just want to solve the problem. You want to keep your code readable, add comments, refactor to improve clarity when needed, and structure your projects thoughtfully. Remember, these good habits make all the difference in the long run, even when working solo. The third thing I recommend is planning some time to reflect on your personal coding journey. What kind of problems are you happiest to solve? What kinds of tasks do you always find yourself spending extra time on? It's a good way to identify a niche for your future explorations. Ask yourself how your learning process has changed during this challenge. Reflect on critical moments when you were tempted to give up. Notice how your persistence has increased your confidence. See how much closer you are to becoming an autonomous developer now. Spend time identifying the next domains that will help you grow further. So take the time to reflect on these ideas. And again, Congratulations on reaching this milestone. You are 25 days away from completing the challenge. You are closer than ever to your goal. As before, don't rush into the next project if you feel exhausted. Slow down and focus on the areas that still feel tricky. Even if everything seems clear, you deserve to rest. Come back energized and ready to tackle the rest of the challenge. Congratulations again on reaching the end of day 75. Be proud. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment with your progress. We are all in this together. Happy coding and see you soon.